Hello, this is Jim and Ian with DC Digital, and today we're demonstrating a DC-10T-DN-NEMA, and the customer has requested us to connect or modify the unit so that it will take a foot switch activation, and it is a 3-press activation. It is start stop and reset to last value. Normally with our T downs, it just has the start stop at the top, reset to last value, 0 reset, set minutes and set seconds. Also you can get it with set hours and set minutes only. But they wanted to be able to remotely start stop and then reset it to the last value. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that. Let's see here. These are environmentally sealed switches. This is a NEMA enclosure, NEMA 4X enclosure. We have an adjustable piezo for the end of period, so when it reaches 0. It has 25-foot cable and sealed, environmentally sealed foot switch. The cable for the there's a 9-foot power cord. It's 3-prong power cord. And it's environmentally adapted for harsh environments, oil resistant and water resistant. So we're going to just set seconds first. So I'm going to push it once for starting the seconds, and then I'm going to push it again to stop the set of the seconds. And when that happens, it puts it in non-volatile memory, so you won't have to set it again if the power fails. But to demonstrate the foot switch action, you start it by 1 press, obviously, and then stop it with the 2nd press, and then reset it to last value. And that is the 3-press operation activation of the timer. You can also start and stop it at the top. There's a push button at the top, and then reset it to last value up here also. To demonstrate the non-volatile memory, let's say for the day you just want to shut the display off for the day, and you just turn the power off and back on, and then you can hit the foot switch and that'll bring it back up, or reset the last value on top. So you can do the reset and last. I'm going to show you if they come in and they just tap the foot switch, it puts it to the last value and then starts it. The end of period will sound at 0. You can adjust it like I mentioned earlier. Once it does get to 0, you can press the foot switch and it just resets it. You don't have to hit it 3 times. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and have Ian talk about some of the other features of it.
So going over the hardware, it's a NEMA 4X IP66 rated enclosure, making it waterproof and airtight, so that protects the board on the inside and the enclosure. We have our sealed foot switch with 25 feet of cabling. We also have our 3-prong power connector that is connected directly to the enclosure itself with 9 feet of cabling. And we also have our adjustable piezo alarm, which can be located at the top of the enclosure itself on the left side.
And then we have cable glands that seal also the outside control cable and power, sealing it from allowing ingress. So again, this is Jim and Ian with DC Digital, and we're demonstrating the DC-10T-DN-NEMA with a 3-press environmentally sealed foot switch and end of period. Thank you for watching.